Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then tap on the sound and vibration section. Here just tap to the advanced options, and here as can you see we got our default notification sound. We just have now the notification sound, set it on our device, and now we'll just change that. Just here switch the one from this default notification sound if you want, or also you can tap here on the add notification on the plus icon, and you can set one from the sounds on your device if you get some music or from the internet, for example from the Google Drive, and then just tap here to OK. And as can you see we got just here our new notification sound, that's Moto. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.